Guys, in the second episode beginning, Naruto going to take a pic. That photo is for the ninja registration form. Those who become graduate and go for further level, they want to register himself as a ninja. So he wanted to take a pic, and that pic is in weird pic. You can see in this picture. This is how Naruto wanted to take a pic and surprise all of them. After taking the picture, he pasted the picture in the registration form and go to the Hokage to submit the application. But Hokage reject this because of that weird pic. Then Naruto uses his Shikijutsu and convince Third Hokage. In this time, a boy behind a door was seen all this, and he ran into the room with a kunai, and he wanted to throw the kunai at the third Hokage and defeat him. This little boy is none other than grandson of third Hokage. His name is Konohamaru Sarutobi. Here a new character is introduced. His attack failed. Konohamaru fell down, very embarrassing to him. He thought Naruto uses a trick to fall down the Konohamaru. So he go to the Naruto and ask you are the reason pick the fight. He go to Naruto and pick a fight with Naruto. Then Naruto kick on his head. Then Konohamaru decided that Naruto is different from others. He is unique. So Konohamaru thinks that he follows Naruto so he can learn Sexy Jutsu. By learning this jutsu, he can defeat Grandpa Hokage. So he himself wanted to be apprentice to the Naruto. At first, Naruto don't agree that Konohamaru was his apprentice, but Konohamaru called him as a boss. He liked that, so he decided to teach him this jutsu. Then Konohamaru was ready to learn this jutsu. Naruto wanted to test how much Konohamaru handled this, so he wanted to try a gold transformation. Then Konohamaru answered to Naruto that he wanted to become a Hokage to maintain his own name rather than calling as grandson of third Hokage. Everybody in the village call me as a grandson of Hokage. Nobody calls me with my name, so I wanted respect from each and every person. So I will become Hokage and gain respect in all over the village. I no more wanted the title as the grandson of the Hokage. Ibuzu, the trainer of Konohamaru, grandson of third Hokage, comes in and tries to take Konohamaru, but Naruto stops Ibuzu and uses Shadow Clone Jutsu against him and then transforms the clone jutsus into a gold sexy jutsu. Naruto called this jutsu as harem jutsu. In this way, Naruto defeated Yabusa. This fight is watched by third Hokage using the crystal ball, as we can say in the first episode, and then Konohamaru Naruto becomes rivals, and Konohamaru promises that he will defeat Naruto one day and become Hokage. In this way, the last second episode will be ended.